The 16-gauge steel building entrance terminals feature reliable 66 block style quick clip connectors for both the input and the output terminals. Connectors can accept up to an 18-gauge line termination, also included on multiple external and internal ground lugs, as well as splice chambers and various types of security covers. UL approval standard on all terminals. Standard 5-pin protector modules available in analog and digital versions. Can be purchased separately or loaded. The CR2606QCQC is a 6-pair 66 block. The protection modules are sold separately. To check out this and many more products, visit discountlowvoltage.com.